Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair JBL Tune Flex with any Windows laptop or PC. So first of all, you need to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Next, open it. Right now we have to keep that case open until these indicators on the left and the right earbud starts blinking blue. So just be patient, wait a little bit. As you can see right now, they are blinking quickly, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. Right now we have to put that case close to your PC and remember to do not close this cover. So leave them like that. Right now on your PC, you have to go for the settings. Next, we have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. And we have to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Next, you have to click to add device. Select Bluetooth. And right now, just wait until our earbuds pops on the list. So we can scroll down and wait for them. As you can see, in my case, they appears at the bottom of the list, but I just misclick for this unknown device. But right now I'm successfully connected. So in the end, I will recommend you to open the system settings, then go to the sound. And right here, just be sure that output and the input device is selected for our JBL Tune Flex. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.